Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks. And somebody wanted to cut out an animal paw for a book for a dog that deceased. And I just typed out ABC, so this is actually C, but we don't have to care. We'll go to Object, break the letters apart, and then grab that paw. Now, it's not perfect. I got this shape from DA Fonts. I just typed in animal tracks. I've had it for a long time. And you download it. This one's actually shareware, so it's free to use. And so then you take that paw, and I would clean it up a little bit, especially if I'm going to cut it out. For engraving, it's not that bad, but if we take it and we see it's a font, so we have to go to Object and convert it to a curve and see all the nodes. We could possibly just select all those nodes and maybe type in 10 and delete it, and look how much better it is. Let's back up here. I normally do 20, but I didn't think it was going to need it. And now you have a lot less nodes and a lot cleaner. I would still get my shape tool and like delete those. Delete these square parts, delete that one. Maybe you can delete that one. You know, you don't want it to be perfect because the paw's not perfect. Well, I guess they are for the dog, but for cutting out, now you wouldn't want to probably delete both those. But just take that and let's select both these and right click and turn them into let's try smooth. And then we can get the handle and kind of move things around. And just personal preference, what you think. And then to cut this out, all you have to do is, well, I got one more little jagged edge right there I want to get rid of, because that's going to definitely show in a cut. And then you could always move your handle over. Maybe even get rid of that one. That looks pretty good. Maybe, yeah, good enough for the video. Then just select it all. Look at that little point right there I don't like. And maybe just take your handle of your tool and move that out a little bit. That looks pretty good. Now just select it all, left click, right click in red, and it's a hairline, then that'll cut out. And what's good about this, if you have a piece of wood like the album, then let's take the Smart Fill tool and fill it in with like a color of wood. That's what it's going to look like. And then this will be transparent, and I think it's a photo book, so the photo of a dog might even be able to see through it. I hope that helped. Thank you.